Hey everybody, we are at the Blue Fern Studios booth. I'm going to show you the new collections. We have the Radiance Collection. Just going to scan really quickly. It's the end of the show. Everybody wants to go. Then you got stamps. And I don't know if these are ephemera or stickers. The owner isn't here, so got more chipboard, and if I'm going too fast, you can slow down the speed of the video. Then we have the bird waltz, which is so gorgeous, and then the chipboards to go with it, the papers. I'll try to go slow. These papers are amazing. I mean, you can't go too slow because I'll be here all day, so I'm trying to go a little, you know, kind of in between. So, all right, and then you got the stamps down there. All right, then we have Eclectic Charm. This one's really pretty colors. So pretty. And then have the chipboards.
Well, that's how they know.
And then we have Glory of the Garden. Show you the papers first. And the chipboards. Love the butterflies. And A Romantic Life. So pretty. You can hear Karen in the background. Alright, the feathers are so pretty. Alright, we have Blue Fern Studios. Then we have all the projects. So gorgeous. So gorgeous. Alright, then we have Jane's Memories, or Memoir, sorry. This one is so gorgeous. It has so much texture and depth to the papers.
I have enough embrace supplies, but not going to see this, yes.
Oh my gosh, I think this one is probably my favorite. It's so gorgeous. We got the stamps. And then the chipboard to go with it. Alright, and then we have some more projects here. And then I'll show you some of the stamps and lace. It's a quick pan.
I think there's some cut parts there though. And I will see if I have any back.
I love this stamp here. Alright, if you want to see anything up close, I'm sure they have all of this on their website. And then the flowers. So pretty. So bluefernstudios.com. Ooh, this one's so pretty too. Love it. Oh, I love that they have the sentiments. So cool. Alright, that is a look at Blue Fern Studios' new paper collections. Thanks for watching.